In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Twitch on PC. So on your Google, type for Twitch, download PC in here, and search for it. So wait for it to load up, and then go to the official website of Twitch and check for the available applications if the download is available. Because as far as I know, you can download the official website, or I mean official application of Twitch. So I think you'll need a third party application in order to download the application. So try clicking the download the Twitch apps, and as you can see in here, they only have a mobile apps, which is for Android, iOS, and for a VR, I think. So I think you'll need a BlueStacks in order to download the Twitch. And also you can use the Microsoft to download the application. And that's it. That's how you download Twitch on PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.